Welcome to this 15-minute full body flow, maintaining that flexibility and strength, starting in a hero pose, sitting back onto the heels with any form of support underneath you if you need it, breathing deep into the belly, finding length through the top of the head. Exhale, let it go. Inhaling, arms wide and high, finding length and strength. Exhaling it through, soft curl in the spine, bowing forward. Inhaling all the way to the top, all the way into the head. Exhale, side out the mouth. Release and let go, maintaining this activation in the mind and body throughout the start of this practice, allowing it to dive inward, away from all the distractions and into the present moment. Breathing in for one last breath here. And let it go. Hands coming down to the mat, stepping up into a downward facing dog. Walk it out, wag that tail, lifting one heel, then the other, dropping the hips left and right. Inhaling long, pressing through the forefingers and thumb. Exhale, dropping shoulders down, opening up through the chest, maybe dropping into the knees. Inhaling high up onto the tippy toes. Exhale, release down into the heels. One more of those, all the way up. Open, open, open. Exhale, let it go. Walking it forward into a forward fold. Exhale, release. Grabbing for opposite elbows, softly sway side to side. Big breath in, halfway lift. Exhale, let it go. Few more of those, halfway lift, rising and reaching long through the spine, shoulder blades down and back, before letting go, soft bending the knees, finding clarity and calmness with the flow of breath rolling in and falling out. Stepping back into your downward facing dog, big breath here, opening up through the chest, dropping heels down, let it go. Reaching right leg high to the sky, step it forward and through, finding a high lunge right here for 1 second, one big breath. Before dropping it down, left knee down to the mat, right ankle or underneath right knee, opening up that left hip flexor, breathing in deep. Exhale, let it go, soft smile. Another couple big breaths here. And release, getting nice and comfortable in the mind and body. And then softly and slowly heel toe that right foot out to the right, finding a gecko variation. And if it feels best, you can obviously reach back for that left foot, or just allowing the elbows to come down to the mat. Drifting head heavy, shoulders heavy, opening up through the hips, breathing into the lower body, expanding breath down, down, down. Exhale, release and let go. And when you're ready, softly and slowly, heel toeing that right foot over towards the left wrist, finding a pigeon pose here, keeping that back leg straight and this right ankle towards the hips or as far away from you as it feels best, maintaining an activation towards the knee to protect that joint, breathing in, finding length, and let it go. Releasing into that right hip. Feel the release and relief of each and every exhale as you find more length in the body and more strength in the breath and mind. big breath here, finding your fullest expression. And with the exhale, preparing to softly and slowly walk your way back out. Coming up, bringing that right foot back down to the mat. Before moving into the other side, we're going to take a second here in full split or half split, whatever feels best for you, dropping back onto that left foot if half splits in your practice, or allowing that right hip to sink down, supporting under the knee or the hips, breathing in and keeping those hips facing forward. Let go, preferably keeping those back toes tucked under, maintaining that alignment in mind and body with the stream of satisfaction, allowing you know where to go and how far. Each and every flow is meant to release and let go. Big breath in. And let it go. And softly and slowly making your way out and back up into that downward facing dog, taking a big breath here, grounding down to the hands, open up, sigh it out, wiggle it out. Left leg high to the sky, step forward and through, low lunge. Framing that front foot, keeping it stacked, releasing into that right hip flexor. Breathe in and let go. Soft smile on the face, being kind and compassionate with where you are right now, with who you are right now, as you look forward towards who you are becoming. Softly and slowly, heel toeing that foot out, bringing your hands into the midline, and either reaching back or dropping down, whatever feels best for your practice today. Either way, finding that length and letting go into the flow. One last big breath here before rocking yourself back up as you try to bring that foot over towards the right wrist, finding pigeon on the left, using a support underneath that left hip if necessary, keeping the toes flexed, dropping back hip down, inhale long in this vertical upright position, and softly and slowly finding that comfortable edge where you can relax into the body, into the posture, and actually let the muscles go. Knowing that the muscles just move the bones. It's truly the nervous system that you need to signal, relax and release and let go. It's holding on, protecting the body, and sometimes so much stress and tension leads to this lasting hold that's not necessary. And you have the power within your mind to just say, chill out, relax, let go. Breathe it in and let it go. More big breaths here, finding your fullest expression. Walking yourself back up and preparing to drop into that split position, whether it's half or full, keeping back toes tucked under if you're being good, allowing that left hip to drop down while you keep the hips facing forward, parallel with the front of the mat. Big breath in with a smile, happy to be taking this time and making this space. Exhale, let it go, allowing the mind to enter this deep state of flow. One more big breath here. And let it go. And softly and slowly bringing that back up through downward facing dog. Big breath. And release. Walking your feet forward and sinking your hips down into a low squat. Hands coming to heart center. Elbows pressing into the thighs. Breathing deep, find length to the top of the head. Exhale, sink down, down, down. Relax and let go. Soft curl. Inhale, open. Expand. Exhale, sink with a soft curl. Choosing to end today's practice with this sense of peace and calmness in the heart, in the mind, and in the body. Feeling the connection to my stream of inspiration, that guidance within that's allowing me to know where to go and what to do. And whenever I feel negative emotion, it's simply me stepping out of that stream, away from the well-being towards the fear. And every day as I choose to enjoy the journey along the way, I dive in with a sense of love and appreciation, with knowing and wonder, curiosity and creativity, as I just let go into the flow. Feel free to follow me for more flow state mindsets and high performance habits that help you level up your life and create the dreams that you know you're meant to live.